everybody, we are here in Playa Chica in Puerto de Rosario, the capital of Fuerteventura. But first of all, I have to tell you something. The foundation of everything, what you have to do to get what you want, are nutrition, the second one is motivation, and the third one is exercises. I will just explain to you this in this video. My name is Alberto de Musica. Here we go in this trouble. See you later. Hello everybody. Well, I'm going to tell you the steps that you have to follow if you want to go to your target. So, the step number one is to subscribe my channel if you didn't do it. Do it now. You know, here you can subscribe to my channel. Well, with no jokings, step one is exercise, okay? I'm going to show you now here a couple of exercises you can do in 4 minutes that will help you to weight loss, okay? So, here we go and let's do it. Fundamental calentar. And here we are, step number 2, nutrition. Always when you want to lose weight, you need to have a diet. But not all kind of diets, you know, you don't have to be hungry. You have to be in a good condition, you can practice sports and everything. So I'm going to show you a couple of recipes, but not today, not in this video. I'm going to do a new series with the best recipes to help you for the weight loss, okay? So, all the ingredients here, and I will post it soon, very soon. And now we go to the top to see how's my weight. See you soon. I love you all. Step 3 is the motivation. You have to think about that motivation, consistency and discipline transform your targets into achievements. Alright, so it's very important to be motivated. This is how me 9 years ago and 10 years ago, when I decided to stop smoking and I decided to stop drinking. Everything happened if you are motivated. Alright, so once we say that, we're going to see how we weight now. So let me see. Alright, let me see. Working 117.1 kilos. Let me see in stones or in pounds first. If I find the button, here it is. 258.2 pounds for my American friends and 18 stones.6. So at the moment 170 kilos. When we started was 130 kilos, so we lose 13 kilos, alright? This is very good. I hope to see you in the next video. Mwah! Enjoy you!